It's homework time. I'm going to play a mystery noise, and I want you to tell me what you think it is. Ready? What do you think it is, Meme?
A shovel digging up dirt.
We're almost in gardening time right now. And so I got all excited about some gardening sounds. And that's a sound we're going to be making pretty soon because I got some stuff for the garden and we're going to be digging in the dirt any moment. We're going to try to write down this sound. But we're not going to draw a picture of what it looks like. We're going to draw a picture of what it sounds like. So we're not going to draw a picture of a shovel.
Okay.
We're not going to draw a picture of dirt. We're going to draw a picture of what it sounds like. So I'm going to ask you some questions, and we're going to write the answers down. Okay, ready? Mm-hmm. Is the sound loud or soft?
Loud.
Okay, so I'll circle loud. Right? Is it something? Do you think there's scraping, or hitting, or is something being blown?
What was the first one again?
Hit. Is something being hit? Is something being scraped? Or is something being blown? You can mix them up if you want.
Hit and scrape.
Hit and scrape. Okay, so
because it's scraping the shovel and it's hitting the dirt.
Hit and scrape. All right, so there's hitting and scraping. All right. Is the pitch high or low?
Low.
Low? Okay. We're going to listen to it one more time. I want to know if this is smooth sounds or jerky sounds. What do you think?
It's like bump.
It's what?
It's like...
Is it smooth or is it jerky?
Jerky.
Jerky, okay.
Like beef jerky.
So now this is a little different. You said there was some scraping sounds, but there's also hitting sounds.
Yeah.
What about long and short?
What do you mean?
The sounds are short or long. Can you describe it using the words long and short?
Like when it picks it up, it's short, but when it like pours it, it's kind of long.
Okay, so it's how many times do they usually have short and then how many long? Listen. What do you think?
I counted like 9 short.
Sometimes it's 2 or 3 before.
Yeah.
And usually the one before the throw is a little longer than the other two. Uh-oh. She saw somebody outside. I'm going to pause it. Oh. It was a man. Someone walking outside. Okay.
She's really protective.
So there was short, the short, and then right as they're getting that last bit of dirt, it's a little bit longer, and then the throwing of the soil or the dirt is long. All right. Mm-hmm. So now we're going to make a picture of the sound. You have some crayon colors?
Yeah.
Which ones did you choose?
I chose...
Okay, so how many different colors do you think this sound is going to have?
2.
You want 2? Which ones do you think? This one and that one. Okay. So she's going to use 2 different colors. And why 2 colors?
because there's two sounds. There's,
The digging and the throwing?
Yep.
Okay. And they're going to have some short sounds and then long. Are you going to use up the whole sheet of paper for this, or do you need much space for this?
I think about half the paper will do.
You think half a paper?
Yeah.
Okay. So she's going to draw a picture of this sound, and I would love to see you draw your picture of this sound. You can use whatever colors you want. You can make it as big or as small as you want, but you can't draw a shovel and you can't draw dirt. You have to draw what it sounds like, not what it looks like. Please leave pictures of your drawing in the comments below. I can't wait to see your homework, and I miss you. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!